Assalamualaikum kids, how are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, this is your new phonic language series book 3, means the book of PLS. Children, today we will do the page number 81 and page number 82. Now open your book. Children, this is page number 81. On this page, we look at the picture, read and choose the words from the box and complete the given sentences. And the words are four, wood, chair, set and brown. Read with me. Four, wood, chair, set and brown. And children, in the first you will look at the picture. What is this? Who will tell me what is this? Yes, this is a chair. What is this? This is a chair. And the first sentence is, this is a dash. What is this? This is a chair. Now look at in the box. And where is written chair? Yes, here is written chair. And the spelling of chair is C-H-A-I-R, chair. So you will write here chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair. And the second sentence is, it is dash in color. Children, what is the color of chair? Yes, it is brown in color. Now look it in the box. Where is the brown? This is a brown? No, because the spelling of brown is B-R-O-W-N. And this one is a F. F-O-U-R, four. W-O-O-D, wood. C-H-A-I-R, chair. S-I-T, set. B-R-O-W-N, brown. Yes, this is a brown. So you will write here brown. Now read with me the spelling of brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. It is brown in color. It is brown in color. It has dashed legs. Children, how many legs it has? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 legs. So where it is 4? Yes, here it is a 4. F-O-U-R, 4. So you will write here 4. And what is the spelling of 4? Yes, F-O-U-R, 4. What is the spelling of 4? F-O-U-R, 4. It has 4 legs. And the last one is, the fourth one is, it is made of wood. Yes, it is made of wood. So we'll write here wood. And the spelling of wood is W-O-O-D, wood. What is the spelling of wood? W-O-O-D, wood. So you will write here wood. It is made of wood. And children, the last one is, we dash on the chair. What do we do with chair? Yes, we sit on them. We sit on it. So we sit on the chair. And the spelling of sit is S-I-T, sit. So you will write here sit, S-I-T, sit. We sit on the chair. Children, I hope you will understand the page number 81. So I hope you will do at home with the guidance of your parents the page number 81 and the page number 82, which is same just like page number 81. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.